Hey you, look over here, it's Z-Dog, homie sucking down a couple beers. He doesn't have time for an autograph, he's just here to cheer us on. He kicks some ass, he's a nice friendly guy, at least on the surface, but you're an outsider. How would you know this? Sorry, not sorry for the havoc he wreaks. We're dependent on his method for the kill streaks. Speaking of method, go and pick his brain, he's commander-in-chief, and he's got game. Everybody loves him even though he's insane, and if you see him coming, there's no stopping the train. His weapon represents God as the bulldog. We rarely get kills cause he's something of a hawk. So come and tussle with the team, cause you know what kid he's high, and we'll make your friends scream. Up high, down low. Here we go, bro, got him gang banging in the house. East Coast, West Coast, no ghost posted, it's Smith Warfare, and it's time to start smoking. Xbox, record that, guns be toasting. Scotty up in here with my HBR opponent. Subpar jokes, but I'm still really stoked. We bump into the beat, our bodies soaked in Major League Sweat, cause we're bringing the heat. We're the Gotham Gang ladies, got you all on your knees.
Flanking as a team, yeah, we keep our guys alive. With our exosuits, we certainly will put you in line. If our teammate is in trouble, we will all dive. It's the bond we all share and ensures that we will thrive.
Bittersweet treats flying into your teeth. Our bullets hitting harder cause you're talking is cheap. Better than all you noobs will ever be. Log into Twitch, son, check it and see. Messy, that's the way we do things. We're shooting high, and heads will fly. Sorry, we didn't mean to make you cry, but it's fear for tears that will lubricate our sidearm. Yeah, Honey Badger's going in to collect his kills, to secure the win, to ensure that his nemesis drops face down. In advanced warfare, Honey Badger goes to town with his battle buddy E. Pops nades, shoots spike drones straight into your face. You got a problem with this fool? It's your goons that we use as we sharpen our tools and follow up with a bomb fuse.
Up high, down low. Here we go, bro, got him gang banging in the house. Flanking as a team, yeah, we keep our guys alive. With our exosuits, we certainly will put you in line. If our team